What's up, YouTube? This is the Passive Income Trucker coming back at you today with another video. On this channel, we're going to be talking about crypto, stocks, and passive income. Before we get into this video, go ahead and give me the L in that special. Go ahead and hit the like and subscribe buttons for more content just like this. If you need to, come back and hit the pause button and then read this disclaimer at your own leisure. But let's get into the reason for today's video. And the reason for today's video, which we're going to go on through the ClickBank. The ClickBank to Profit series. Today is day number 10 in the series. Let's see if we had any sales on today. And also, I haven't sent any emails today. So we can go ahead and show you how that works. If this is your first time watching, you can go back to the first video in this series and you will see that what we are doing is we're just copying and pasting emails to make money on ClickBank. Now let's go ahead and log into ClickBank before I do my email sequence, which is pretty much copy and paste from the ClickBank section anyway. So let's no sales today. And today is about day number 10, I think, in the series. So let's go ahead and check my clicks for the day and my hops and good stuff like that. Go to the reporting. So you can see that we're getting steady clicks to the every single day. So we have 3 more order form impressions. We're close to getting the order here. And close, we have about 2,000 hops so far. 6 order form impressions, so about 330 clicks per hop. So let's go back and ooh, excuse me, apologize for this. Let's go ahead and go to the other site. And all we're going to be doing is we're going to be going here. We're going to be logging in. I have 5 accounts. I'm going to be logging in each one of these accounts. And in each one of these accounts, what I'm going to be doing is just copy and pasting. Let me go ahead and open up my my document that I created just to do this, because I already did all of the additions, the edits that I need to. So I can just copy and paste it from this particular window. And let's see, it's labeled MLGS. So let's go down. Gonna go down to email number 6. Facebook wants to pay you. Let's log in and make sure I'm not going to resend this email. This is something you do want to do when you get your own account, is to make sure that you don't send an email 2 days in a row. So this is the first account out of 5. Log in. And the last email that was sent was $175 per day chatting on Facebook Messenger. So let's see. So that's not it. So what we're going to do is the way I have it, you can copy either one of these. Facebook wants to pay you, or people in your area are preferred. So I'm going to copy the first one. Control C. We come back here. We go to the mailing system. We're going to select all of the leads, which I have 25,200. Now, if you, for those of you who are curious, my lead gen secret is a site that gives you 100 business leads, 100 make money online leads every single day. And as you can see, I'm getting 200 leads every single day because I signed up myself under one of my other accounts, under this account to be exact. So what I did is I took this link and I signed up under my own account. And the next day I'll start getting 200 leads every single day. And this does cost $60 the first month and $30 for every month after that, which is pretty much a steal. I don't know anywhere we can go. We can even get, let's see, 200 leads times 630, that's like 6,050, let's say 5,500 leads in 30 days for $60. That's not even possible as far as I know. It'd be very, very hard to do. And then every month after that's going to be $30 per month for about 6,000 leads per month. That's pretty much unheard of. So that's the reason why we're using this particular system. It gives you the leads, and here are my leads that I get every single day. And it also has an email system that you can use to send out emails, but you can only use that email system once per day. Also, they have stats, where you can see the stats are starting, they're pretty much just up and down. It just shows the clicks, open rates, the name of the email that you sent, the emails you sent. So every single day, you're going to be getting more email. Every single day, if you sign up yourself under yourself, you get 200 emails a day. At the end of the first week, you have 1,400 leads. I have more leads because I signed up a long time ago, and when I reopened my account, they gave me all of those leads, which gave me the 20,000 leads. And as you can see right here, my first email was 8,900 because something else they don't will explain is you're going to be capped once you get to a certain amount that you can only send about 8,900 9,000 leads. So you have to send customer service an email and let them know that you need to send more than that, and then they'll release it. And as you can see, the very next day, I was able to send 20,000 emails. If I would not have recognized this, then I would be still sending 8,900 emails in caps. Well, a lot of people would not be receiving my email. So let's get back to today, what we're doing. Let's go ahead to the mailing system and select all again. And we're going to paste, Control V is in victory. We're going to paste that in, come back down here, click in, Control A to copy everything and delete. And we're going to come back to here. Now, if you're doing this on your own, you can do it another way as well. You can come back here and you can go to Marketplace. Excuse me, forgive me for the throat issues. And you click on the category, which is pretty much going to be the make money online niche, which in here is e-business and marketing. Click on that. Then we're going to come up here, and not by rank, we're going to do it by gravity, which pretty much means we're going to put it in order of the ones that are getting the most sales. And normally, with most offers, the first page is where you're going to find the offers that are getting the most sales. At the bottom of the page, you can see this order is at least getting 32 sales. Excuse me. The order at the top is getting 244 sales. So this is the one we're promoting. You pretty much go to the affiliate page. You go to pretty much all affiliate pages have email swipes, or they have some sort of thing to help you to promote the offer for them, no matter which traffic source you decide to use. So we go to the email swipes, and as you can see, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 emails, and you just click on it and you copy and paste from here. But I already have mine done the way that I need to, so I'm just going to copy and paste it from here. So back to my little template. Let's see, pull up the website again. Back to the template. So we're going to copy the body. Hi, first name. And as you can see, the first name is different as far as in the type of brackets they use are different in this one than the other ones. So the way I have mine set up is I'm going to come down here. Everything is pretty much done. I come down here. I cut this. You highlight this. You go up here to there's like two chains connected together. Control V. Okay. And that's pretty much it. And if it's going to show a timer down here and let you know when you can come back and send emails again, which is more than likely like 24 hours from now. I'm making this video a little late. It's around late this evening. So once I send this email, I won't be able to send another email until about 8 o'clock tomorrow night. And see, here it is, 23 hours later. You can't send another email until then. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to repeat this, this is pretty much kind of almost like a passive income thing. If you want to use this to make a couple $100 per month, or if you want to use this to just supplement your income, you don't want to do it full time, you can do it part time. But the thing is, it's going to take about at least 3 to 6 months before you start making profit. So you have to be patient with this, and you're going to have to do it every single day. It's a little tedious, but once you start doing it, just give it some time. You have, especially if you have a new account, you're gonna have to give your account time to build up the emails. Like these, all of my other accounts are pretty much brand new. So if I go to this account, you can see there's not as many leads, but I still have leads, 2, 4, 6, 8. And now it's showing that my 200 more leads will appear in another 2 hours and 46 minutes, which is pretty much around midnight from what I'm seeing. Around midnight, my other 200 leads will show up here. So what I'm going to do is go back to the mailing system. I'm going to select all of these leads, which this is a new account, and I have 1,900 leads in it already because I started maybe 10, 12 days ago, maybe, if I'm not mistaken. So about 7 or 8 days ago, because this is like 1,900. Yeah, somewhere around that time, maybe a little longer. And also something else you can do is you can just come and just open the account. And after you open the account, you can just let your lead sit for a little while and then start emailing. I mean, it's different ways you can do it, but this is the way that I'm choosing to do it. You can do it your own way. You can do it your own way or whatever works best for you. Something else I'm going to do is just going to come to my original page, and what you can do to make it a little bit faster is just copy, Control C, and come right back to the other page which you opened up, and just paste it. That'll make it go a little faster. Then you scroll down, get rid of this, then you come back here, do the same thing, except this time you're just going to copy. And when you copy it this time, you don't have to redo the link part. You just do that, the perfect timing, hit send. All I'm going to do is do this a couple more times and I'm going to be done. That's pretty much all I do to make profit with this particular system. And I do have the spreadsheet that I was showing. Well, so far this is what I spent. I spent $270 to get the 5 accounts. It would be $300 if you don't have an account already. If you already have an account, then they'll only charge you $30 to open up your account, and they won't charge you the extra fee. So right now I'm minus $270, and I'm only on day number 10. So I'm expecting to get profit somewhere before I get to day 30, or at least some sales before I get to day 30, because I have more emails than most in my account. So let's see. So now it's set, so it's done. So on this account, all we're going to do, come here, we're going to log out, and we're just going to log into each one of the accounts and do the exact same thing. And the way the system is set up is going to automatically tell you the last one you're in. So now we're going from 1 to 2. We log in because we saved it. The mailing system. And since I've already had that copied, I can come down here. No, I didn't. So let's go back here. Control C. Let's see if that'll work. Make sure I click this. Go back up, all the way up. Select all. See, this account has 1,600. And then go here to copy that. Come back over here. And that's pretty much all we're going to be doing until you finish with all of your accounts. Until you have all of your accounts. If you only have 2 accounts, 2 to 5 accounts is the recommended amount. And if you do decide to do this, you may want to open one account and then open up a kind of like let's see, like each one of my accounts, I would go back here, and after I open up each account, and I would just click on my link here and open up my new account with this link, so I'll get the 200 leads. Because I mean, if you want to promote this system, you can, but it's not as prosperous as other ways to make money. It's a little slower. It's up to you. If you want to promote this system, I'm using it for ClickBank, and in a couple of months, I would expect to have some profits. I mean, even though it may not be a lot, you can do this, and all you do is come in and you copy, you paste, and you're done. You should be done in like 15-20 minutes. It's not a very long process. It's not a very strenuous process. It's pretty easy. It's almost like a passive income source. This email is done, so on to the next one. It's almost like a passive income source because it doesn't take a very long time to do. Once you get everything set up and once you have all of your accounts. Just did the 4th account, even though it says 3 because of the way I set it up. Mailing system. I'm gonna copy that. Make sure you select the lead. This account has 1,300. Control V for the subject. Come down here. Control A and delete that. Come back up. So the more you do it, the faster you can get at it. And it's like I said, it's going to take a minute to get the sales to come in. You're going to have to have quite a few emails before you start getting the clicks. Then once you start getting the clicks, like you see I'm getting on my particular offer, then eventually you'll start seeing sales. And if you hang with it long enough, you will be profitable. I mean, it's just a matter of time and a matter of numbers. The system does work. You just have to work the system. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not $1,000 a day overnight. It's not even $1,000 a month overnight. It's a system that you're going to have to work, and you're going to have to just stick with it to see if it's truly what you want to do. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to do the rest of the other one offline. That's pretty much just to show you this is what you do. This is what you can look forward to. And as of now, there's no sales coming in, but I am looking forward to some here in the future. Thank you for watching. This is the Passive Income Trucker. I'm out.